Okay. Okay. So I like this background, but let me change it. Okay. So nothing. Okay, well. Actually, I'm using a background, but I can't remove it. So I need to use this background. Oh, no. Okay, it's okay now. It's okay. I like that background. It was really good. Okay, well, so the structure of the day. Okay, so we were making an example sentence including I have itchy feet. May I ask you to use it in one sentence? May I ask you to use it in a sentence? So I have itchy feet.
Each, each, each fit. Each fish so travel abroad twice a year.
So make a sentence.
That's itchy. For example, I am itchy on movie.
No, you can't.
No.
I have itchy feet. To have itchy feet is an idiom. So you need to use it about movement. For example,
Okay.
you can say, I have itchy feet, so I'd rather move to new house, for example, once in 3 years. Okay, so because I can't stay in one place for a long time. Or I have itchy feet, so I travel a lot.
Travel a lot. I have itchy feet. So hmm, um
So
I have itchy feet, so I don't want to stay at home. I don't want to stay at home.
great. Yeah, so I don't like to stay home. Stay home, just stay at home.
I
No,
don't
just
like
stay
stay
home.
home. Stay home.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, I
great.
don't like stay home. Yeah.
Okay, you don't like to stay home. Yeah, of course, very good. So because you have itchy feet, so you'd rather go out, hang out with friends. Very good. So this one was good. Well, okay. And now sometimes nothing springs to the mind, so we don't have anything to say about something to make example. Well, okay, this structure is really easy. Avoid plus gerund, ing form of verb. Avoid means stay away from. So
Yeah.
avoid means stay away from something. Avoid, for example, let me change the color of it. Okay, stay away from. So, for example, you should avoid carrying too much clothes on holiday. It means don't do this. Or for example, I avoid wearing too much, for example, in sunny days. Or you should avoid talking Vietnamese in English class. So because you're learning. So avoid doing, avoid listening, avoid cooking. Okay, so avoid plus ing form of verb. Yeah, of course. So you can use it to say that you need to stay away of something.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. May I ask you to use the structure to make an example?
Okay. Um, okay. Uh, okay, you should avoid uh, going home in rush hour. Rush hour.
Ah, of course, you should avoid, yeah, of course, going in
Avoid.
rush
You should
hours so
avoid
that, yeah, you get stuck in traffic.
rush
Yeah, of
hour.
course. Well, great, great. Or for example, you should avoid traveling by plane and, for example,
Traveling.
rainy days, something like this. Yeah,
Rainy. Oh, okay.
yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah.
Well, the last part of this lesson is the listening section. Let's listen and answer the questions. What do they always take on holiday? Okay, listen and complete. So let me play this video. Okay, so this one.
Unit 5. Recording 3. 1.
These days, we always expect to hear English in tourist areas. Most people working in tourism speak it, but I always want to talk to local people, and many of them don't speak English. So I try to learn a few words of the language, especially please and thank you, and I always take a small dictionary.
What is? Take this
2.
dictionary.
I love walking when I go on holiday because I think you see more. So I always take a really good pair of walking boots.
3.
I think a good digital camera is important when you travel. I always seem to take hundreds and hundreds of photos. And I also take binoculars.
4.
When I'm not travelling for work, I usually choose to go to a warm place for my holidays, so I always take a sun hat. But when I go somewhere during the winter or rainy season, I always take waterproof clothes.
5.
I think it's a good idea to buy a really good suitcase, and when you pack, leave enough space for souvenirs. On the other hand, I enjoy travelling in wild places, so quite often I take a rucksack, not a suitcase. If you decide to go walking, a rucksack is much easier to carry.
6.
It's best to avoid carrying too much money because you don't want to look like a rich tourist. Because of this, I always take a money belt on holiday.
7.
I need to write things down to remember them, so I take a notebook and pen.
Well, so what do they always take on holiday? Number one.
Study holiday.
Yeah.
The dictionary.
Very good. And number two, the second.
The second, walking.
Walking boots. Walking boots.
Walking boots.
Yeah, boots, of course. Number
Okay.
three.
Take a photo.
To take photo, of course. What do we need?
Photo.
Yeah, what do we need
Photo.
to take photo? We need something to take photo.
Yeah.
What do you use to take photos?
Camera.
Of course, camera. Digital camera, of course, camera.
Camera.
And number four.
Number 4. Oh, sorry, I don't know.
No, don't be
For
sorry. It's
4.
okay. Of course, it's okay. Well, so how about 5?
5. The rucksack.
Very good.
Rucksack.
Rucksack. Yeah, of
Ruck-
course.
Rucksack.
Suitcase. Rucksack means like a kind of backpack. Rucksack is a kind of backpack. Yeah. And the last one.
This one. Oh, I don't know.
Money belt, but let's do something. Of course, I skipped this part because we need
Money
to.
belt.
Yeah, money belt. There actually, it's a belt. Let me write it here. Money belt. So of course, I will discuss this part again. So because we need to listen, and there's some points that we need to discuss. So this is okay. Money belt. It's a belt, special belt that actually you can use to
Money
hold
belt.
your money. Yeah, of course, to put your money and hold it so that you never maybe lose, of course. Well, it's really good for, especially for people who travel a lot, or for example, someone who goes hiking or something like this. It's really good one. So because you may lose your wallet, but money belt is something that you won't lose. Yeah, of course. So next session, we will listen to this audio track again because we need to talk about it. There are some points that we need to discuss, but so we skip this part. Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Any issues?
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
thank you. It was really good time with you. And good for you. So have a great night.
Yes.
It's night, so you can go and rest and yeah, but of course the day just started here, so I need to work a lot. Okay. So have a great
Good luck.
night. And let me stop sharing and have
Yeah, you too.
you.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you
You're
very much.
welcome. You're
Goodbye.
welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye.